Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning, and I know you're there. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Welcome to another day, another ordinary day but healthy day here. So the day started as usual. I woke up early, I went to the gym, and then I came back home. And today is Wednesday, so you know what happens on Wednesdays. We go to Costco. I'm gonna bring you with me to Costco. I'm gonna share my grocery shopping with you. I'm gonna tell you the whys behind each decision. But first, I'm gonna get my coffee. I'm gonna edit a video, and then I'm gonna get ready, and then we are all going to Costco. So come with me. After a bit of morning editing, it was time for my weekly trip to Costco. A highlight of my week where I get to stock up on all the essentials for a healthy lifestyle. Here's a look at what I picked up and why each item is a staple in my nutritious diet. Whole wheat bread, a great source of fiber supporting digestion and providing sustained energy. Bananas, ideal for a quick snack, rich in potassium for heart health and muscle recovery. Organic chicken thighs, chosen for their lean protein, essential for muscle building and maintenance. Beef, packed with protein and iron. I trim the fat to keep it lean. Organic bell peppers, full of vitamins A and C, perfect for immune support and skin health. Milk, a reliable source of calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. Cottage cheese, high in protein and calcium, great for muscle repair and bone health. Peanut butter, offers healthy fats and protein. Balsamic vinegar and rice vinegar. Both add flavor to dishes without unnecessary calories. Protein bar, a convenient snack to support muscle repair and energy levels. To show you what I got today from Costco. Well, let's start by the bread. I got whole wheat bread. Speaking about bread, that's something I wanna make more at home. We have a bread machine. I love it, but it's too loud. And sometimes if I have too many meetings in a day, I cannot use the bread machine because it's too loud. And I would like to use more. I am trying to figure it out, a schedule, so I can make bread at least once a week. I want to stop buying processed bread. This is one of my next goals in life, but for now I have to buy them. I like these ones. We always buy this pack of 3 and then I freeze them and they last a long time. Yes, I got balsamic vinegar. I love balsamic vinegar, and this one is organic. I love it. It's so good. Actually, this lasts I think it's the second time we buy it. I think the first time I went to Costco, I got a bottle, and now it's the second time I got. So it lasts forever, and it's so good. I like to have vinegar. It's always better for salads. Stay away from heavy, creamy salad dressing. Try to stick to olive oil, vinegar. So balsamic vinegar, I love it. Bananas as usual for my monkey husband. Bell peppers, I always buy them organic. Everything that you eat without peeling, try to buy organic. Milk, what more? Oh, I got another vinegar. Actually, this one, it's the first time I buy it. I bought rice vinegar. I don't know this brand, but it looked good. But I wanted to buy another type of vinegar. I wanted a white vinegar, and I saw this rice one, and it was a good idea for a recipe I want to prepare. So yeah. And I thought it was really affordable. I think it was $7.99 for this whole bottle. Protein bars. I buy them almost every week because we eat them every day. As I said, be aware that once you try it, you become addictive to it. They are good. Actually, they not only taste good, but I already told you that from all the protein bars that I researched, this one on paper is the best one with a lot of protein, few sugar. It's good. Cottage cheese, it's so good. I cannot stress enough how good it is to have cottage cheese to spread on the bread because they are healthy. And oh, speaking of this, they didn't have the yogurt today. I'm frustrated. If you watch my vlogs frequently, you already know that I eat Greek yogurt almost every day. It's a staple here. I always buy them, and they didn't have the same brand I always buy. And all the brands I checked there, they were not good. Like, I mean, they would have less protein than the other option that I always buy and way more sugar. No, it was a pass for me. I didn't get. So peanut butter, essential for my protein cookies that I always bake here. And I will say that again, I will say that as many times as I can. Every time you buy peanut butter, you have to check the ingredient list, and the good ones have only one ingredient listed, which is peanut. Stay away from other things that are not peanut in your peanut butter. It should be only peanut, actually. So now the proteins I got this week. I got beef. I like to buy the whole piece because I think it's more versatile. First, I can see the piece. I like to see the piece and take a look to see if I can find one that has less fat than others. I know it's more like a visual judgment, but it's still, I don't know. I prefer this way, but it still is better than buy them blind. Totally blind. I always get the whole piece because I portion different ways. Half of these I'm gonna grind, and the other half I'm gonna cut in pieces for stews or for fajitas. I don't know yet, but even if you don't have a grinder at home, you can use the food processor for that. It's always a good idea because, especially Costco, because in Costco we buy things in bulk. And I always think ways that I can buy things, but I can use them in different ways so it doesn't get boring. Because if I eat the beef the same way every day, it's not gonna work. So this way I can grind, I can cut pieces, I can make stews, I can make fajitas, I can make so many things. So that's why I get the whole piece. And then I got chicken thighs. I got organics with no skin. About chicken, this is a wonderful protein to have. I know people sometimes they say that you have to buy breast chicken breasts. Chicken breasts are the healthiest part, I would say. If you like them, by all means go for it. But the thing is, I think they are kind of boring, so I try to mix it up a little bit. Sometimes I buy chicken thighs, my favorite. What's your favorite part of the chicken? Let me know in the comments. I love the chicken thighs. Sometimes I buy drumsticks, sometimes I buy the chicken breast. It's already a healthy protein. If you're going to prepare it at home, if you're not going to deep fry it, you don't need to buy breast. You can buy this one. So that was it. That was all. Now I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, and then after lunch I'm gonna do some preparations here. I'm gonna take care of the beef. I'm gonna portion the chickens, and I think I'm gonna bake a bread today. Stay tuned for that. After our talk, I immediately put away the groceries, ensuring everything is organized and ready for the week ahead. Lunchtime was simple, enjoying leftovers from the night before, which gave me the energy needed for the afternoon's task. Baking whole wheat bread. I measured and added the ingredients to the bread machine, letting it do its magic, filling the house with the comforting smell of baking bread. During the bread's first kneading cycle, I turned my attention to the beef. I carefully trimmed any visible fat before grinding one piece with my stand mixer, a process that can also be done in a food processor. This freshly ground beef is perfect for healthier, homemade meals where I control the fat content. As the bread machine signaled the time to add final ingredients, I mixed in fresh rosemary, enhancing the dough with its fragrant, earthy flavor. Fresh herbs like rosemary not only add depth to the bread's taste, but also offer antioxidants. With the bread now left to rise and bake, I prepared the other piece of beef for fajitas, slicing and ensuring it was lean. Then I tackled the chicken, portioning it out for future meals and storing it in the freezer. A practical step in meal prep that saves time and maintains the quality of my protein sources. As the afternoon progressed, I took a moment for my tea of the day, a black tea infused with apple. making it an ideal pick-me-up as I wrap up my work. Dinner was a celebration of flavors and nutrients, a colorful bowl filled with proteins, good fats, and the complex carbohydrates of my freshly baked whole wheat bread. Now ready just in time to complete this nutritious meal. This dinner encapsulates my approach to a balanced diet, combining various textures and nutrients to support a healthy lifestyle. Through today's activities, from grocery shopping to meal preparation, my goal is to share the joy of healthy living and inspire you to embrace a lifestyle that's not just about nourishing the body, but also the soul. Here's to making every day a step towards better health and happiness. Join me again for more insights and inspirations on this wellness journey. Namaste.